All right, so for number 4, what's my domain? Spencer? Good. And you don't have to write the 9 twice. My range this time, Caitlin? Fantastic. Now, you might be able to just look at these numbers, guys, and notice that I have 4 numbers in my range and only 3 in my domain.
Oh, yeah.
So that should tell me what?
That is not a function because 9 can't go to 2 places.
Right, right. Not a function. And you can be specific, like Miguel was. Jesus, sorry.
Jesus.
Not a function because 9 cannot go 2 places.
Because. It means because.
It means because.
Gosh. Catch up on your lingo already.
All right, number 5. What's my domain? Jordan?
7.3.
7.3. Negative 1.7. 3.4. And my range? Chantel? 2.8. 2.6. 2.8. Now, so notice how I have 2 2.8s in here. Is that okay?
Yep.
Yeah, because I could have 2 different destinations. That's fine. 2 of these numbers can go to the same destination. So, is this a function?
Yes.
Yes, and we could say for each domain goes to only one range. Good. All right, number 6, your favorite.
Oh, I know how to do these now.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, Jesus thinks he knows how to do them. Explain us to the class.
So you cross out function, put depend, and then put the end one, like the speed of your swim. Put that in front, and then put the front in the back. So you switch it around.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't know we had to switch.
No, you don't have to. That's just how Jesus is doing it.
That's
Another
what
way,
you
yep, you don't have to, though, do it that way.
You know?
You don't have to, no.
That's what you said, I thought.
That's just a way to help you.
You said that was easier to do it.
Another way, and I did a little bit of research over these the last few days because I, too, still struggle with getting my head wrapped around these. And I think this is true. When it's written, is blah, blah, blah a function of blah, blah, blah. The first one, time, whatever's before the word function, this is always your range. The speed, in this case, is our domain. So, the way to set these up, to help you a little bit, is, all right, let's think of the domain, the x values going in. Well, what are my domains in this case? The speed. So, what are some speeds? 2 miles per hour. What are some other speeds? 5 miles per hour. 10 miles per hour. Okay.
Kilometers per hour.
Kilometers, yes. Kilometers is usually what they measure swimming in. So, is the time 10 laps? So, we want to know if I swim at a constant speed, I'm going to have a certain amount of time it's going to take me to swim 10 laps, right?
Yeah.
Let's just say it takes me 5 minutes. Okay? Now, if I were to swim at 5 miles per hour, it's going to take me another time, right?
4 minutes.
I think probably, if you double it, 10, 12 and a half it would take you.
Minutes?
Uh-huh.
Why? Wouldn't it be more faster?
Oh, yeah. Sorry about that.
Yeah. That's what I said.
So it would be you doubled your speed, 2.5 times your speed. So it's probably going to be about 2 minutes. And that math's not exactly right. But if I
50 seconds.
times my speed by 5, 1 minute. Okay? Now you ask yourself, if I change my speed, my time's going to change, right?
Yeah.
But let's say Brendan and I were both swimming at the same exact speed. Are we going to finish at the same exact time?
Maybe. Maybe.
Yeah. If we go at the same exact speed, we're going to finish at the same exact time. you're not going to get two people swimming at the same exact speed, finishing at different times. Okay?
But it also depends on what time you start at.
But you're going at the same speed.
If you start first and then you start later.
But you're still going to swim at the same speed, and you're going to take the same amount of time from start to finish is going to be the same. So this is a function.
I don't get that. I told you.
This is a function. There is one time for each speed. There is one time for each speed.